Dying Gasp is a feature that notifies monitoring systems when the switch is about to lose power unexpectedly. If there's a sudden power loss, a built-in hardware component in the switch keeps it on for a brief moment and sends a message to a preset syslog or SNMP server, depending on the priority you set. This can be useful for finding and fixing problems, especially in places where the power supply isn't very reliable. In this episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll show you how to turn on and test the Dying Gasp feature on a Cisco Catalyst 1300 switch using the command line interface, CLI. Next. First, log into the switch. I'm using the PuTTY terminal. Open the terminal and insert the IP address of the switch. Apply the correct username and password. Once connected, key in the command configuration terminal to enter global configuration mode. Follow this up by typing in dying-gasp enable along with your preferred messaging method. You can list both if you wish. The first one would be the primary. I'll input both, starting with syslog-msg and then snmp-trap-msg to add the syslog server information to my switch. I'll enter logging host, followed by the IP address of my syslog server. Exit global configuration mode with the command exit. To verify these configurations, key in show dying-gasp status. This shows that Dying Gasp is enabled. In my example, the primary notification is via syslog, and the secondary is an SNMP trap. Enter show dying-gasp packets to see the types of packets that will be sent to either the syslog or SNMP server. Save the settings with the input write memory. Confirm to save the running configuration to the startup configuration. Open up your server. Once you see your server receiving messages from the switch, unplug the switch. The syslog server will receive a Dying Gasp power loss message from the switch. It's important to note that during larger power outages, only the switches closest to the SNMP or syslog servers may report the outage. If those servers themselves don't have uninterruptible power supplies, messages can get lost. And there you have it. You've successfully configured the Dying Gasp feature on your Catalyst 1300 switch. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.